What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Holochain HOT, which has pumped up in value quite a bit. And as you guys may have seen or may know, Holochain has changed into Holo right now, and obviously its abbreviation is HOT, and it has pumped up 15% in the last 24 hours, making it 0.001668 in cents. So we're going to be looking at where is this crypto heading to next. Is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Should you wait for it to drop down in value? Looking at both buyers and sellers point, and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, how far can this crypto go? And especially with 2023 just around the corner, is this a crypto worth investing into, or would you rather put your money into a different crypto? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, the market is down just about 0.32% in the last 24 hours, and Holochain has managed to gain 14% in the last 24 hours. Most of it did come from the last hour itself, as you can see, pumping up 10% in a single hour, which is absolutely insane. It was 15%, but it's slowly starting to drop back down in value. Over the last week, 5% up. As you can see, we can see it dropping over the weekend, and then right now pumping in value. And over the month is an overall 13% down. Obviously, we all know about the crash that took place on the 8th of November, and it hasn't recovered since. In fact, it has gotten even worse. So yeah, it's not looking too great right now. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 77% in the last 24 hours, making it $34 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Holo. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it is getting a lot of attention recently. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and we're going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Holo at 0.001697, and it is trading just slightly lower than what is meant to trade at, which is in red here, 0.001653, meaning it is on target, guys. There is only a very minimal difference here. So yeah, pretty much it is on target. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer, guys. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we can see here the blue and the orange line are both going in a bullish direction, looking very steep, looking very positive, meaning an overall increase in value is what is meant to take place. However, because we're seeing steep lines going in a bullish direction, it is not realistic. The only reason why we're seeing steep lines going in a bullish direction is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks this crypto is going to keep pumping up in value, it's going to keep jumping, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, so let's say by tomorrow morning, tomorrow midday, I'm expecting it to drop back down in value, potentially down to where its SMA indicator is, which is around 0.001503. So somewhere around there is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at by midday tomorrow. So yes, it is likely to drop down in value. We can already see it dropping in value. As you can see, red candlesticks are already starting to appear, and again, we are going to see pumps as well. It's likely to pump back up in value before it drops back down. So yeah, it's going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, looking very similar to the previous chart. The blue and the orange line are both looking quite steep, going in a bullish direction. So once again, it is not realistic, meaning an overall drop in value is what I'm expecting over the coming days. So towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting an overall drop in value from Holo, potentially trading down to about 0.0014. Somewhere around here is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at. But again, it depends on any collaborations or projects that they've got going on, but again, nothing like that is predicted in the next week anyway. Now, moving on to the daily chart. Now we're looking much more realistic. We're not looking as steep as the previous two charts. As you can see, the blue line is still looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the orange line is looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction. So essentially we have two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the coming weeks. So late December, early January, I'm expecting it to be trading at its current price range. Yes, as I mentioned, over the coming week or two, it's likely to drop down in value, and from then on, it's likely to be slowly and steadily starting to gain value, potentially heading to about 0.0016 to 0.0017 is where I'm expecting it to trade by early January to mid-January as well. But again, this depends on any major crypto crashes, major crypto gains that take place, such as what happened 2 weeks ago. No one expected the crypto crash, and it's had a major impact on the most cryptocurrencies out there. Obviously, Bitcoin has dropped down to $16,000, which is not looking too great, guys. Exactly a year ago, Bitcoin was trading over $60,000, and right now it's dropped down to 16,000 12 months later, which is not looking too great. Who knows, guys, this time next year, where is Bitcoin going to be? Where is the crypto market going to be? Hopefully it does start to move in a positive direction, because guys, to be honest, 2022 hasn't been a good year for the crypto market. It's been very volatile, but more or less moving towards the negative direction. So hopefully 2023 we shouldn't be seeing more profits, more green candlesticks. So anyways, let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and yes, we are in the lowest part of the red zone, and for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit 0.007 cents in target, meaning going through approximately a 500 to 600% increase from where we are at the moment, which I'm not expecting from Holo anytime soon. So more or less, guys, it's very likely we are going to be trading in the red zone for most of this year, next year, and probably the next approximately, I'll say 18 to 24 months is likely we are going to be trading in the red zone. But that doesn't matter, guys. What matters is as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in the upwards direction, heading towards the green zone, we should be good to go. But again, we do have a long way to go for us to hit that target. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Holochain, guys. What I want you guys to do is comment down below your expectations, your predictions on this crypto, as I've seen a lot of positive and negative comments around this crypto. So I want to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And yeah, not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.